Hey there guys, I'm Bo Lorenzen. Today I'm going to show you a very simple way to improve the quality of your smartphone spheres. That's spherical photography where you photograph all the way up, all the way down, and all the way around for something like Google Street View. And as you probably know, in the Google Street View app on the smartphone, there is a system so that you can use your phone, take a picture up, go down, then you turn up, down. But the problem is that when you take the pictures, you tend to move the phone around. Notice how I move the phone around me here? That gives a horrible stitch. In order to get the perfect stitch, you have to put the phone in. So instead of moving it around in a circle, you need to literally move it around. See how I'm holding my finger by the lens here? So you need to move the phone so that it stays around the lens, and when you look up and you look down, it needs to stay in that place. But of course, when you're standing somewhere, it becomes hard to keep this exact positioning. So in the old days, I started doing that with my phone, my headphones here. I just adjusted them a little bit in height so that you can see better. But here you get the idea. I just kind of plugged them in. And in the old days, Apple used to have the camera right up here. Now, in their wisdom, they moved it over here, so I'm going to show you how I do it now. But basically, I would just let the headphone hang out like this, and then I would just try to put a rock on the ground or something so that I could move it around over the rock. Now, let's turn it around. And to do this, you're going to need a little bit of gaff tape, or any other tape will work. So I'm just going to grab a piece of tape about this big, and I'm going to pretend that's the rock. So I'm going to put it down on my laptop right here. There you go. That's my rock. And I'm going to use the other piece of tape to attach the headphones by the camera on my phone. Here's how I do it. I just kind of grab out on the end here. I stick it on, not too much on the one side, because I'm going to stick this tape, you see that? Right down. Don't block the camera. And then I just kind of tack it down like this. There you go. Now the phone, notice how now it's attached, and it kind of rotates together with the phone. So now, by putting the center of the headphones over the red mark, which is my rock, on the ground here, now I can hold the phone here, and I can tilt down. I take a picture, then I follow the app to go up. Here it takes a picture, click, and I'm going to go up more, take a picture, click, and all the way. And for each time I keep adjusting the phone so they're in the right place, and click. Now I'm going to turn the phone. So I'm just kind of, I can keep it here, and I turn until the app takes, but I need to adjust my headphones. Click, 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 and let me keep going around. So I'm going to go around, and see now as I'm going around, I have to adjust so that the headphones keep hanging over the red spot. As long as the headphones keep hanging over that red spot, I'm in what's called the nodal point. And when I stay in the nodal point all the way around and keep the headphones hanging over the spot, basically now it's going to be much easier to stitch a high quality panorama. I call that a virtual tripod because it's like a virtual panorama bracket that allows you to keep the camera locked into a particular place. You can do this with a string, with headphones, or by simply putting a light stand on the floor and keeping the camera right next to the top of the light stand. So that's how to use the virtual tripod to improve your smartphone pictures for Google Street View. If you're shooting spheres with a smartphone, take a minute and try to do it at home using a headphone or a string and see how much it improves your pictures. Good luck. I should take this tape off. There.